What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best DSLR cameras to buy right now. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Hi, I'm John Lorenz from Canon USA, with the latest in Canon's most popular DSLR camera line, the Canon EOS Rebel T8i. It's a 24.1 million pixel camera that opens the door to first-time users coming from smartphones, with new levels of performance and control that also make this a worthy, affordable step-up camera for more experienced users. Like all EOS Rebels, the T8i is compatible with any Canon EF or EFS lens. The digital SLR, with its optical viewfinder, brings important benefits to photographers, like big increases in battery life and no viewfinder lag with rapidly moving subjects. The Rebel T8i takes full advantage, putting a new level of performance for an EOS Rebel into the photographer's hands. It now shoots up to 7 frames per second, so it's well suited for fast action. A more powerful Digic 8 processor and enhancements to its shutter and mirror mechanism are really noticeable here. And its 45-point autofocus system now has both face detection capability and improved AF tracking for subjects that move across the frame. It's great for families and events, but the T8i is also a terrific choice for getting started in wildlife, nature, and sports photography. There's a new level of photographic control in the Rebel T8i. A quick control dial for instant exposure adjustments, a dedicated AF on button for back button AF, and more. Live View continues to offer a vari-angle LCD screen, and Live View dual pixel CMOS autofocus adds face detection and eye detection capabilities for even greater accuracy. Video capabilities are impressive as well, making it great for vlogging or shooting videos to share on the web. UHD 4K video is available at 24p. Uncropped full HD video can be recorded at up to 60p with Canon's dual pixel CMOS autofocus, including eye detection AF and movie servo AF. The T8i now offers vertical video to match popular smartphone movie output with a simple menu setting. And there's a mic input socket for external microphones. And as you'd expect, the EOS Rebel T8i has easy-to-use built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity to download photos and videos to compatible mobile devices. Canon EOS Rebels have always been a tremendous lightweight series for the entry-level customer, and new levels of speed and performance, along with control, make the Rebel T8i an excellent way for more experienced users to step into a new camera.
If you love to photograph your children and family, travels, and landscapes, you may discover stepping up to an interchangeable lens camera can change everything. It will help you get better pictures and video with more detail and better color. With the introduction of the lightweight Canon EOS Rebel SL3 camera, this may be the discovery you've been waiting for. As the smallest and lightest Canon EOS digital SLR, the EOS Rebel SL3 is a great camera for anyone stepping up from a smartphone. And it opens the doors to the entire Canon EF lens system. Any Canon EF or EFS lens can be directly attached. This camera has the technology to get you great pictures and video. The Rebel SL3 has a 24.1 million pixel Canon CMOS image sensor, much larger than the sensor on a typical smartphone. Its rendering of skin tones, color, and fine detail will delight you. It can shoot still images at up to 5 frames per second, so it's terrific for kids' sports, wildlife, and action. There are built-in tools like Creative Assist and Feature Assistant to take your pictures even further. You have the versatility of viewing through this camera 2 ways. The eye-level optical viewfinder uses almost no battery power and makes it easy to follow fast action for still pictures. And its vari-angle LCD lets you shoot live view still images or video. Just twist the LCD for fun and interesting perspectives, including selfies. A great feature during live view or full HD video shooting is Canon's fast and accurate dual-pixel CMOS autofocus, now including eye detection AF. It can put tack-sharp focus right on a person's eyes. And the Rebel SL3 is your gateway to shooting and sharing videos. It can shoot beautiful, detailed 4K video as well as Full HD, with recording up to a smooth 60 frames per second in Full HD. Finally, the Rebel SL3's built-in Wi-Fi, including Bluetooth, makes it easy to shoot and share your imagery. Send images to your smartphone even as you shoot them if you desire. Simple and easy operation is at the core of the EOS Rebel SL3's design, but it has plenty of features, including full manual settings. So it's ready to grow as you are. Add a few Canon EFS or EF lenses, and the Rebel SL3 can take you wherever you want your photography to go. Hi, Rudy Winston with a quick tip on the Canon EOS 6D Mark II and working with a single focusing point when you're shooting through the viewfinder. The EOS 6D Mark II has 45 available focusing points, and the AF area feature lets you change the size of your focusing point. The fundamental AF area that people work with is, appropriately enough, called single point AF, which means you're working with one point at a time. That point appears in the viewfinder as one hollow box, and you can move it to any of the available locations in the entire AF array. The single point AF is great for putting your sharpest focus on a specific part of a subject or a scene. But you have another option for even finer control, and that's spot AF. Spot AF is displayed as a box within a box, and it samples an even smaller area of your scene. It can let you focus even more precisely on one exact part of a scene or a subject. It's not really suitable for things like sports and moving subjects, but when you really want control, it's a great way to get there. The bottom line is that when you want focus control, using a single point is a great way to achieve this, and you have two options with the 6D Mark II, single point AF and spot AF. Again, give them a try. I think you'll like them.
So that's it for the top 5 best DSLR cameras to buy right now. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest video.